Hi everyone, my name is Jack Van Hecky. I am a senior at Baruch College, and this summer I will be working as a creative/multimedia journalist. I'm super excited to work for a company that shares meaningful stories and really highlights everything happening across the 5 boroughs in a very lively manner. I'm very passionate about storytelling, and so I'm ready to get to work and share stories that need to be shared.
I'm Angelica Vivas, and I'm a journalism student at Boston University. I'm a Queens-based media journalist for Schneps this summer, and I'm really excited to get out into the field to cover local stories while incorporating multimedia into my reporting.
What's going on, everyone? My name is Mike Zavatsky. I'm a junior at Hofstra University, and I'm really excited this summer to be joining Schneps Media as a media journalist intern. Another thing that I'm really excited about through this is exploring New York City kind of in its entirety for the first time. Not being from the city, I'm really inspired by all the different events that go on here, all the different people that they bring out, and the different values, experiences, and opinions that they have. One of my goals as a journalist is to hear as many of those things as I can, and I feel like through New York and through Schneps Media, I'll definitely be able to do that.
Hey everyone, my name is Annie McKeegan. I'm a senior at Hofstra University. I'm most passionate about photojournalism and visual storytelling, so I'm really looking forward to improving my video skills this summer. I mainly focus in sports photography now, but I'm open to anything and always looking for an opportunity to take more photos. My favorite part about this work is learning something new from someone new each and every day and giving a platform to important stories.
Hi, my name is Tianshan and I'm a rising senior at NYU. This summer, I'll be joining Schneps Media as a video production assistant. I look forward to filming and editing many cool stories and get involved in the company's social media management. I can't wait to get started.
Hi, I'm Elena DiGiacomo and I'm a rising junior at St. Joseph's University. I'm so excited to be joining Schneps Media this summer as their social media assistant intern. Using my creativity to curate content has become a huge passion of mine, so I'm super excited to be able to implement my own skills into the company and being able to collaborate with all the other interns as well.
Hey everybody, my name is Vincent Zakian and I'm going to be a creative sports journalism intern at Schneps Media this summer. I'm going to be a senior at Syracuse University in the fall, and I'm really looking forward to connecting with our team, working with my fellow interns, everybody else, telling good stories, because that's what I'm passionate about. That's what I love about this work, is the storytelling, conveying emotion, having fun, that kind of thing.
Hi, my name is Kira O'Connor and I'm a rising junior at Columbia University. And because I'm a video production assistant this summer at Schneps, something I'm really excited about is getting the opportunity to work on shoots and helping out the video production team with different events unique to New York. I'd say my favorite part of this work is getting to capture people and places stories in a creative way, especially in such a versatile city. And something I'm passionate about is mixed media animation, which I'm hoping to integrate into some of the projects I get to work on this summer.
Hi, my name is Fez Nawab. I'm a student at Boston University, and I'm really excited to work at Schneps Media. What really excited me would be how lively the city of New York is, and that means that I'll never be reporting about the same thing, and I'm very excited to work with the staff, work with other interns, and just grow my skills from where they currently are.
Hi, my name is Shira, and I'm a current rising sophomore at Duke University. I'm really excited to be a part of the Schneps Media University intern program because I'm so excited to learn and gain the variety of skills that I can throughout this media world and this internship. My favorite part about journalism and media is that you can tell so many different stories about so many different things and add such a personal twist to it. My goal throughout this internship is to successfully help bring the stories of New York to life and hopefully put my personal spin on it.
Hello, my name is Jake Cotter. I'm a journalism student at the University of Maryland. I'm a rising sophomore. At Schneps, I will be a sports media creative journalist this summer as an intern, and I'm really looking forward to collaborating with a variety of people to hopefully create some awesome content and get into the city and cover some interesting stories. So I'm really looking forward to getting started.
My name is Isabel Howe and I'm a rising senior at Northeastern University. And I'm so excited to start working at Schneps and really express creative direction in my role. I think what really excites me about this line of work is the intersection of different disciplines like digital expression and business strategy and events production. And New York is just packed with culture and connection and stories, and At Schneps, I really hope to meet like-minded people who are willing to give these stories a voice.
Hi everybody, my name is Jessica Ross and I am a senior at Hofstra University, and I am going to be this summer's sports creation intern. Working in this field is honestly one of my greatest passions. I love journalism. I love being able to go out and tell stories, and then incorporating sports into that as well is just such an important thing for me as I grew up in a very sports-oriented household. I am so excited to be able to get to work with so many amazing people in this company and to be able to really both work on and off the field and to grow so much more as a journalist and feel a lot more confident in my work.
Hey. My name is Joseph Song, and I will be a media sales strategy intern this summer. I am a rising senior at Boston College studying marketing and operations management. The thing I'm most excited for during this internship has to be being able to generate creative ideas and connect brands with audience members. And one major goal I have throughout this is just to narrow down my focus as to what my strengths and weaknesses are when generating creative ideas through different mediums of media. Thanks for giving me the chance to introduce myself, and have a good rest of your day. Bye.
Hi, my name is Uma. I'm a student at Boston College, and I'm joining Schneps as a media sales strategy intern. And I'm looking forward to delving deeper into the creative side behind marketing and strategy, coming up with ideas, pitching them to the team, and eventually getting to execute these ideas. And I'm also looking forward to working collaboratively both with my team and across different teams in Schneps. And my goal is to learn a lot of different skills crucial to marketers and have a positive, lasting impact on Schneps as a whole.
Hi, my name's Ava Mills, currently a rising senior at Pratt Institute for Communications Design, and I'm going to be one of the digital design interns this semester at Schneps Media. I'm looking forward to working with the various different teams at Schneps and being able to do a little bit of everything. One of my favorite parts of design is that every project has a different process and approach to it, so I feel like I'm always learning something new. Some of my goals through this experience is to further develop my own style and being able to share and receive ideas with other creatives.